Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 3500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.4 liter heavy duty V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the bright white and it looks awesome. You got that chrome accenting up front on the grille here, as well as the chrome bumper, and you do have those tow hooks right there in case you need to pull anything out or pull anyone out of the ditch this season. You do have halogen quad headlamps right there, as well as you got the fog lights hanging out just down here. And then coming around the side here, we do have 18-inch rims with Firestone brand tires, and they look awesome. Those rims look really nice in the chrome. They stand out very nicely. You got the Ram 3500 logo there, and then you do also have the heated tow mirrors here. They look great, and you do have the turning signals on them. Now, coming around the back here, it does come with an 8-foot box. Tons and tons of room back here. As well, you do have the SLT logo there, the Ram logo, and the 4x4 logo. And your backup camera hanging out right there. It did snow. It's a bit of a mess back here, but it is an 8-foot box painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and you have a ton of room to haul whatever you might need to. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have our panic button there, but let's unlock and jump on in. On the door here, you do have you have electric mirror, window, and locks all hanging out right here. So as you got that bit of chrome accenting. Handle here with the Ram logo. Bit of storage, bit more down here. And then you do have your controls over your seats here. It is the electric seats. So back and forward and tilting back. And then as well as you do have your lumbar support there. And then coming up here, you do have your lights control. So you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams. As well as you have your in-cabin light control there. And this guy does control your turning signal as well as your high beams and your windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. That engine sounds great. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. It is telling us our park sense is off. Now we do have in the center there, we have our speedometer. We can change that to miles per hour if we did want, or kilometers. We can change that guy though. We can change it to your vehicle info, your fuel economy. You got your trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow. You have your messages, your screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it is getting distracting for you. You do also have the temperature outside, how many kilometers we have been, which is only 784 or 48, which, as you know, is like nothing. And then you also have what gear we're in, and that is all controlled from your steering wheel here. So you also have your voice recognition, your call out button. You got your horn in the middle, and then you also have your cruise control options on the other side. You got your gear shift here, just like that, and when you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera hanging out right there. This is a 5-inch touchscreen display here, so you do have AM and FM as well as Sirius XM. You do got your media tab here if you do have one hooked up through USB or through an aux cord or through Bluetooth. You have your phone if you have one connected through Bluetooth. Then you also got your compass, you got your settings, and you have more options for your clock or your temperature outside. Then you have your volume up and down, your mute, your screen off. That one's your back button, and that one's your browser. And then down here we do have our hazard lights, our power up and down, as well as our circulation. We have our AC and our heat and all that, and then where it's going to blow out of here. And then down here we do have our trailer tow. We have our traction control here, our tow and haul mode, and then our park assists right there. This guy is the control over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and the 4-wheel low. And then we do also have a plug-in right over here if you did need it with a little bit of extra storage. Under here you do have this guy, which is a little bit of extra storage, and a plug-in here, and a USB plug-in right over here. And then in the center here you do have 3 cup holders, and you got an armrest. Under here you do have some coin holders. And then over here you do also have a USB and aux cord and a plug-in. You can close that guy up and lift this one. And then you do have a seat underneath there. It does seat 6 people all together. And then coming over here, you do have dual glove boxes. So you got your top and your bottom. This one does have your owner's manual in it. So lots and lots of room to be holding whatever you might need to. And then up top here, you do have the control over your window in the back. I'm not going to open it right now because it is very cold, but it is hanging out right back there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now they do have control over their own windows here, as well as a handle, some storage, and some more storage just down there. And there is a lot of room back here, and it's very soft as well, just like the front. Same material, same with that cloth with the 2 colors. It makes it look very nice. If you did want, you can pull this down just like that, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. And then if you did want also, you can lift these guys up, and you got some storage just underneath there. Get the same on the other side. And what you can also do is pull this up like this and fold this down, and it lays flat just like this. You got the identical thing on the other side, and then something can sit on top of it and it won't get rolling around or anything. You do have your cup holders just over there as well, and then you do have some storage in here, some little storage bins if you did need them. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.